In order to later run this code automatically, we take the code out into a Python file again. So download it in Python format and open this file in the Visual Studio Code. It is nicely formatted, but we need to add a little bit at the end, the main function we had in our template. This function will execute the other parts of our file in the right order of executing steps. Thus, go to the template and only keep the main and if part at the bottom. Then, one after another, we need to initialize the drive and the analytics reporting. Then, we need to download our totals and details worksheets, if any. Next, we implement our loop to attach possible new data to our previous data frames. And finally, we need to upload these data frames to a Google spreadsheet. Also, delete the unnecessary comments and copy this part into the other file where we have the executing function. You can change the today date of these functions. You could also just write today so that you can get all data from the specific starting date up to today. Let's do a test run. In the Google Worksheets, I am keeping the 32nd and 33rd week of 2017. And I set the dates that my file should add the 34th week. Open the terminal with Control-Command backquote and change the directory to where your Python file is located. Now, type Python 3 and your file name and press enter. Your file should now execute. It may take some time depending on how many weeks you are extracting data for. When it is done executing, go to your Google spreadsheet and check if your data has been uploaded correctly. You should now probably also go to your Google Analytics account and query that exact data and compare with what you have in your Google spreadsheet.